Do you know if your iPhone can support an eSIM? A mobile phone or cell phone connects to the mobile network using a SIM. You can have a physical SIM or an eSIM. An eSIM is a SIM that is built inside your mobile phone. Now, if you live in the US and have a newer iPhone, you may not even have a physical SIM slot anymore. In fact, most newer iPhones sold in the US are eSIM-only and can support multiple eSIMs. However, the exact same iPhone model sold in other countries, such as the UK, may support both the physical SIM and eSIM. If there is no physical SIM tray on the side of your phone, then using common sense, that is an indication that the phone is likely using eSIM technology instead of a physical SIM. Because if there's no physical SIM tray, then there has to be some other way for the phone to connect to a mobile network. Otherwise, of course, it would be stupid to build a mobile phone that does not have a way to connect to a mobile network. But let's not rely on common sense only, and let me show you a step-by-step way to check if your iPhone can support eSIM. The first method is the easiest. Go to Settings on your phone, then Mobile Service. Then scroll down, and if you see the option that says Add eSIM, then that is a clear indication that the phone supports eSIM. Now, depending on where your phone is from, instead of mobile service, you may see something like cellular or cellular service. In that case, go to Settings, then Cellular, then scroll down and look for Add eSIM. And that's an easy one, right? The second method is also very simple. Just go to Settings on your phone, then General, then About, and then scroll down a bit. Now, if you see EID written on that screen, anywhere on the screen, it means that the phone supports eSIM. The EID number is a really long number, so you won't miss it if it's there on the screen. Now, on the same screen, you'll also see a section called eSIM, and that's your phone telling you that it has the eSIM capability. And then finally, the third method, which is my personal favorite because it's the quickest. All you need to do is go to the phone app, open the dial pad, and then enter this code, *#06#. And don't do anything after that. Don't tap the call button. Now, as soon as you type this code, a screen will pop up showing IMEI information and EID information. If you see EID anywhere on the screen, it means the phone supports eSIM. Now, at this point, you should know one very important thing about network provider lock. If you're thinking of using a travel eSIM or switching networks, go back to Settings, then General, then About, then scroll down and look for Network Provider Lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, then you're good to go. On the other hand, if it shows the name of a mobile operator, then your iPhone is still locked to that network. And if you enjoy practical videos like this one, then feel free to subscribe to the channel.